Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret, the channel where we trace the ancient whispers of earth, stone, sky, and human ingenuity, seeking the hidden logic behind the world's most breathtaking places. Today, we journey to Cambodia, to the majestic temple complex of Angkor Wat, a monument to empire, faith, and perhaps to the heavens above. A place where stones may mirror stars, and where architecture, astronomy, and belief meet. Our journey begins with a wide drone shot over the plains and floodplains surrounding Angkor, out to the low, warm horizon. Mist lifts at dawn, the forest canopy parts around ancient ruins, and temples rise like the skeletons of a vanished civilization. From high above, you can see the pattern of moats, galleries, towers, and reflective pools, geometry etched into the jungle. This landscape, shaped by rivers, seasonal floods, and centuries of soil and sediment, provided the living canvas on which the legacy of the Khmer Empire was drawn. The flat plains and abundant water helped sustain large population centers, rice paddies, and the monumental construction that would follow. As the camera slowly descends toward the central towers of Angkor Wat, the sun rises, casting long shadows across sandstone galleries and wet moats. The corridors, towers, and concentric enclosures appear, not as random buildings, but as a carefully crafted design built in the early 12th century under the reign of Suryavarman II. Angkor Wat stands as the greatest achievement of Khmer architecture, originally as a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu, later becoming a Buddhist site. Wikipedia +2 MY A +2. At first glance, Angkor Wat is a representation of the sacred cosmic mountain, with its 5 central towers symbolizing the 5 peaks of the mythical Mount Meru, surrounded by walls and a wide moat representing encircling mountain ranges and ocean. Wikipedia +2 Dulich Okla +2. But beyond this mythological symbolism, there is a hypothesis that adds a deeper layer, that the layout of Angkor Wat was designed with celestial alignment, possibly referencing Draco, the Dragon Constellation. Mycium Reptors +2 SSRN +2. Some researchers argue that the temple's orientation, notably its westward orientation, unusual for traditional Hindu temples, and its layout correspond to nighttime star patterns, particularly the stars of Draco, as seen at certain historical epochs. Journey Cambodia +2 LSU. Electrical and Computer Engineering +2. The idea suggests that Angkor Wat was conceived not just as earthly architecture, but as a cosmic map, a physical manifestation connecting earth and sky, aligning human ritual with the cycles of the heavens. Modern archaeoastronomical studies reinforce parts of this vision. For instance, calculations have identified solar and lunar alignments built into Angkor Wat's geometry. At solstices and equinoxes, certain towers and sightlines align with sunrise or sunset positions, marking seasonal cycles and astronomical events. Equinox Journal +2 LSU Electrical and Computer Engineering +2. These alignments might have served as a calendar, essential for agricultural societies dependent on monsoon cycles, planting, harvests, and as a way to anchor divine power and royal authority in cosmic order. Wikipedia +2 Scrid +2. Nevertheless, the notion that Angkor Wat maps the stars of Draco remains speculative and contested. Some scholars caution that apparent matches can arise by chance or through selective interpretation. NLP. In writing +2 SSRN +2. Yet, the mystery persists, because when you stand within its galleries at dawn or dusk, shadows bend just so, towers frame the horizon, and the air seems heavy with ancient purpose. As we shift to on-the-ground footage, we enter the central causeway leading into Angkor Wat. The moat glistens, the reflection of towers in still water flickers. You walk through the gallery walls carved with bas-reliefs, Devata, Apsara, dancers, mythological scenes from Hindu epics, processions, battles, gods and demons, stories carved in stone, binding human belief with art and memory. 360 gigabytes, +2 Wikipedia +2. Ascending the steep stairs toward the upper terrace, you pause at the top. The towers rise, shaped with symmetry and precision. It's easy to see how sunrise on equinox could align. Watchers standing at the western entrance reportedly see the sun rise directly over the central tower on certain days of the year. Wikipedia +2. Wikipedia +2. That moment, sun, tower, sky, feels like an intended ritual. But beyond astronomical events, Angkor Wat remains deeply spiritual, cultural, living as you explore the surrounding forest. Ancient ponds, overgrown libraries, and satellite temples, you sense how nature reclaims and coexists. Roots creeping over stone, moss softening edges, birds and insects filling silent halls. The humid tropical climate, seasonal rains, and rising groundwater slowly alter sandstone surfaces. Conservationists work to balance preservation and natural weathering, aware that every year affects carvings, inscriptions, structural integrity. For the adventurous traveler, Angkor is not just temples. You can ride a bicycle or tuk-tuk across rice paddies at sunrise, see water buffalo grazing, watch farmers tending fields, a living landscape shaped by centuries of human-environment interaction. Early morning mists rise off flooded fields, water reflects the sky, and in that light, you see how ancient Khmer builders understood water, earth, and cycles. Walking past a local food stall, you sample Khmer cuisine, rice dishes, fish from Tonle Sap, spicy soups, tropical fruits. The flavors are as layered as the history, simple, earthy, rooted in rice fields and seasons. On the way back to your guest house, you pass illuminated towers at dusk, hear chants or soft bells from Buddhist monks, a reminder that Angkor Wat is still a spiritual heart for many, not just a relic of the past. As night falls, you step out beyond the outer walls, into the broad Cambodian sky. If you're lucky and there's little moonlight and clear weather, stars emerge. Far from the bright lights of cities, the Milky Way sweeps across the sky. And above you, perhaps faintly, lies Draco, the dragon of the north. Standing under ancient stars, watching over ancient stones, you feel small, yet deeply connected to time, sky, and human ambition. Through Angkor Wat, we have traced a journey, from earth shaped by rivers and floods, to stones carved by human hands, to symbols etched in rock, to alignments with cosmic cycles, a convergence of geology, architecture, astronomy, culture, and faith. Whether or not every star match was intentional, the result remains breathtaking, a temple that speaks to the heavens and to humanity's quest to find order in chaos. Thank you for joining this journey with Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. If Angkor Wat's blend of architecture, sky, stone, and mystery moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep exploring Earth's hidden wonders, where the secrets of nature and human history meet. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep looking up at the stars.